Greetings. Hope everybody's fine. So today I just wanted to highlight some few mistakes which many producers sometimes make when working on the vocals. Saying, my name is willywheelz, record producer and musician, and welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, this is what we do: reggae, music production tips, gear, review and plugin reviews, everything we're doing here. So stick around and also subscribe, you know what I mean? Without wasting your time, let's get into the tutorial. So I just want to say, of course, there are many ways you can approach something, but there's certain ways you are not supposed to do, because definitely by doing such, you just begin to affect the whole signal in general. You begin to affect the signal. For example, the EQ. I've seen something. Let's check this. I've seen something, let's say, on the EQ. So, for example, this is my vocal. Let's begin to work on this EQ, right? So, this is parametric equalizer, right? So, this is parametric equalizer. As you can see, you can make it look bigger sometimes, like this, so that you can be seeing things properly. So, it has got the sections, sub, bass, low, mid, high, and trebles. All these sections you are supposed to tackle. But from my observation, sometimes someone, when they want to do, whether they're in a hurry, but you might be in a hurry and then you come on here, you just do something like this. I don't know, what does this mean? Because definitely these frequencies which you have cut here and this room that you have created here is a problem already to the signal. So these are some of the things. So let's say we're starting, because first of all, we're looking at the process of equalization, right? So you want to do properly. Okay, so this is the parametric equalizer. What it does is it deals with parameters. So you work with parameters. And now these parameters are divided into sections. It could be high, mid, low, and stuff like that. So you work on those parameters. Okay. So for you to EQ proper, let's say this is my voice, right?
The love that you're always showing is much better than with a bragging.
You can see it is showing you. This EQ is just similar to Fab Filter EQ and also isotope. It shows where the frequencies are so much active and what you can do. You know what I mean? So in order for you to deal with this problem properly, first of all, you are supposed to do something like this. You see, take everything to zero here. Down, everything. So that whenever, you see, so this is how now, if you do something like this, it's very easy. You know what I mean? It's very easy to handle this situation, this scenario, just by working around here.
The love that you're always showing is much better.
So you can easily do the surgical EQ. You know what I mean?
The love that you're always showing is much better than with a bragging. You define much better with blessings. You are the next thing.
So what I'm doing here is just notch filtering. I'm trying to deal with the frequencies which are so much irritating.
The love that,
and mostly it's around here.
The love that you're always showing is much better than with a bragging. You define much better with blessings. You are the next thing. Hey, it started just like a joke, but now we are solid like a rock, loving each other like never before. Yes. Hey, since you come like this in my life, it's like I just won a prize. True love makes you look like a boss, baby.
You see, so dealing with this part, first of all, I'm done with this part. Then the next thing is you come here, check this box. So there is disabled, low pass, high band pass, high pass. So what you want to do is high pass. So you want to do something like this. You can see what is happening here. This is because of this. So you just come down like this. So it's very...
The love that you're always showing is much more than worth bragging. You define much better with blessings. You are the next thing. Hey, it started just like a joke.
So you can hear the difference from how it was at first, right? So let's say
the love that you're always showing is much. The love that you're always showing is much more than worth bragging.
So you can notice the difference that some frequencies have been trimmed and it is showing live now to the audio. The audio can easily sit in the mix. The voice can easily sit in the mix. So what next? So what next is now you can now come again here because you wanna sharpen this voice a bit. You see? So if you have another type of EQ, you can use that kind of EQ. If you have the same EQ, try, let's say, for example, let's say this filter, let's use this one. This one, right? So since we have done that, at least we have to boost a bit here.
The love that you're always showing is much more than worth bragging. You define much better with blessings. You are the next thing. Hey, it started just like a joke, but now we are solid like a rock, loving each other like never before.
So at least doing this, you are able to, you can hear the difference. You can notice the difference from here.
The love that you're always showing is much more than worth bragging. You define much better with blessings. You are the love that you're always showing is much more than worth bragging. You define.
So we have something. You see, the starting point is already there and it is already showing live. All right. So what next after that? After that, now, since now let's say you are loading it to a reverb. Reverb and delay, these are time-based plugins. So they affect the signal based on time. The aim is to create a space, you know what I mean? So you send it to the reverb right now. This is the bus which I created already. So they say,
the love that you're always showing is much more than worth bragging.
So this is a reverb. This reverb is just too much good for me when it comes to reverbs in FL Studio. Most of these stock plugins are very nice. So I'm routing it to this one here. So
the love that you're always showing is much more than worth bragging.
And then there is also a delay here. I used Comeback Kid delay. This one is also a very good delay. You can use the one from FL Studio.
The love that you're always showing is much more than worth bragging. You define.
Let's put it on over 1/4.
The love that you're always showing is much more than worth bragging. You define much better with blessings. You are the next thing. Hey, it started just like a joke, but now we are solid like a rock, loving each other like never before. Yes. Hey, since you come like this in,
and yeah,
like never before.
Then the next thing to do is just to add some kind of saturation. I like this saturation knob, so I'm gonna use this one. This one is a good one. I like this one. It's a free plugin. You can also download if you don't have. You can just search saturation knob free plugin. Then it will give you all the prompts and then you can download and begin to use it. Okay, so let's say saturation type. Should you keep it high? Let's hear what it does.
The love that you're always showing is much than worth bragging. You define much. The love that you're always showing. The love that you're always showing is much than worth bragging. You define much better with blessings. You are the next thing.
Don't add too much, just a little bit of it. Just a bit.
The love that you're always showing is much than worth bragging. You define much better with blessings.
So I think this one is fine here. You know what I mean? Let's leave it there.
The love that you're always showing is much than worth bragging. You define much better with blessings. You are the next thing. Hey.
Okay, so let me route it to the compressor because I compressed already, but a bit of compression here and there. And then, yeah, let's check here.
The love that you're always showing is much than worth bragging. You define much better with blessing.
So these are the process that I'm doing. So the other thing, let's try to add some shimmer. We're gonna use fresh air, right? So
the love that you're always showing is much than worth bragging. You define much better with blessings. You are the next thing. Hey, it started.
Something like this. You can lock in between like this so that when you're moving like this, you have something locked.
The love that you're always showing is much than worth bragging. You define much better with blessings. You are the next thing.
Yeah, that's it. So after doing all that, you can de-ease if you have a de-easer. You can de-ease. Let's check with Tech Aviation de-easer.
The love that you're always showing is much than worth bragging. You define much better with blessings. You are the next thing.
You see? Yeah, at least. So let's say
the love that you're always showing is much than worth bragging. You define much better.
Now, the other tip, the very important tip is when you're mixing, sometimes come here, right? Come here on the master. Listen very low.
The love that you're always showing.
This will just definitely show you what is so loud and what is not so loud. Using this trick will always help you to kill the mix. So let's do something like this now. That's it. Once you do something like this, you'll be able to do. So you can see the processes that I've followed my chain here, EQ, saturation, and never forgot that I had done some compression a bit here. This is a compressor, so I've compressed a bit. But even when I was recording, my microphone passed through the compressor before it was recording. Next time, I'll show you a trick that I use to record the vocal so that you can have a very good compressed vocal, because artists have got different dynamic ranges. People have different vocals. So sometimes other people sing when you are high transients, low transients, all those things happen. Now, for me, to avoid those kind of things, I set the compressor properly, and then it records, it flattens where it's necessary, and it boosts where it's necessary. So basically that is. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, leave a like, comment, share. One other tip, last tip, is don't over-process your vocals. Because the more you over-process, it takes out the naturality of that vocal. It takes out everything. So leave a lot of things in there. Work with minimal stuff, but as long as you know that it is sitting properly, it is cutting through the mix. That's the most important thing. And have references. Tweak today, tweak the other day, tweak the other day, till you know this is too much. This is okay. This is okay. You just do little things. Then boom, you are good to go. If you want production services, you can email me. I'll leave my email in the comment section below.